How to ask a question on Facebook story? Follow this guide. Initially start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. At the top of your newsfeed, click on Create Story. After that, choose a photo or a video from your gallery that you want to use as the background. On the editing screen, look at the right hand side and click on the sticker icon. Here you will find the option labeled question. Just select it. Furthermore, you can type your own question. Additionally, you can also change the color to your preference. To do this, click on the color icon at the top and select the color you prefer. Likewise, hit done. Moreover, you can drag and place the sticker anywhere on your story you want. Finally, hit the share button and your story will go live on Facebook. And just like that, you now know how to ask a question on Facebook story.